Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use GNC Shilajit step by step. To begin, start with a small, pea-sized amount of GNC Shilajit resin, typically around 300 milligrams. It's best to dissolve this in a warm liquid like water or milk, ensuring it's not too hot to maintain its potency. Taking it consistently each morning on an empty stomach will help your body absorb its beneficial compounds most effectively. This simple first step sets the foundation for your wellness journey. For optimal results, timing is key. Consume your Shilajit on an empty stomach, ideally about 30 minutes before your first meal of the day. This allows for maximum absorption without interference from other foods. Remember to avoid very hot liquids when dissolving your resin, as excessive heat can diminish its beneficial properties. Also, staying well hydrated throughout the day is always a good practice, especially when incorporating new supplements into your routine. Many users find that consistent daily use of Shilajit can significantly support their energy levels and overall vitality. This natural resin is packed with over 84 beneficial minerals and fulvic acid, which are key to its reputed health advantages. As you continue, pay attention to how your body responds. You can gradually adjust your daily dosage within the recommended range, perhaps increasing from 300 to 500 milligrams, to find what works best for you. Before incorporating any new supplement, including GNC Shilajit, always consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it's right for you. Proper storage is also important. Keep your resin in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its quality. Finally, always ensure your Shilajit product is genuine and from a reputable source like GNC, as product quality can vary. Your health and safety are paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.